Can you use a Walmart gift card on Amazon? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use, or if or not you can use, a Walmart gift card on Amazon. Now, first things first, how you can redeem a gift card on Amazon. You can simply tap on your profile icon there on the screen once on Amazon.com, and beside your account you can see all option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to scroll down and you'll find the option under payments that says manage gift card balance. Simply tap on it and then tap on redeem under the gift card, and here you'll be able to scan or enter in your card details and redeem it. Now, on whether or not you can use a Walmart gift card on Amazon, unfortunately you can't. As you can see here, not any more than you could use your Amazon gift cards at Walmart. You cannot use your Walmart gift card on Amazon, or you cannot use your Amazon gift card on Walmart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.